What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery drain after Android 14 update on your Redmi 13. So first of all, check for battery draining apps. So to check that, open settings, scroll down, and here tap on battery, and then scroll down, and here you will be able to view the list of apps that are using your battery. So if a app is using more than usual, then tap on the app and take action against the app. So you can force stop the app, and if the app is not a system app, then you can uninstall the app, and you can also view the CPU usage, background usage, and data usage of the app. So if the app is not working properly, then delete the app, and after that your battery draining issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then turn off the RAM plus. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on additional settings, and then in additional settings scroll down and tap on memory extension. Now from here select off, and then from the pop-up tap on reboot. So when you will tap on this reboot option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the memory extension will be turned off, and after that the battery draining issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the battery draining after Android 14 update issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.